Hello and welcome. Do you want to be good in English? Good in speaking? Good in writing? Then I have good news for you. You don't need a big grammar book. You don't need extra classes. You don't need to spend money. You only need two things: your school English textbook and a little daily practice. Part 1. You already have what you need. From Class 1 to Class 10, your English books are full of treasure. Yes, real treasure. Easy stories, small conversations, daily use words, grammar, and pictures. These are not just for exams. They are for life and for your English. All the simple words you need to talk about daily life, like your name, school, family, friends, hobbies, are already there in your textbook. So don't ignore the book. Open it, use it, speak it, write with it. Part 2. A simple daily routine. Let me give you a very easy plan. It takes only 15 to 20 minutes a day. Step 1. Read aloud. Pick one small lesson. Read it loudly. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Your mouth and brain will work together. Step 2. Record and listen. Use your phone. Read and record your voice. Now listen. You will learn from your own voice. Step 3. Practice dialogue. If your book has a conversation, speak both sides. Do it with a friend if you can. Practice like a game. Step 4. Learn 3 new words. Every day, pick 3 words. Write the word, the meaning, and a sentence. Say them aloud. Then write your own short paragraph. Step 5. Write 5 sentences. Choose a topic from your book. Write 5 short sentences about it. For example, my pet or my favorite food. Keep it easy. Use the words you know. Part 3. Choose a practice partner. Learning becomes fun with a partner. Find someone, a friend, classmate, brother, sister, or even your parent. Fix a time every day, maybe 10 minutes in the evening. Speak one small topic. Writing hand, write 3 to 5 sentences and check each other's writing. Take turns reading and asking questions from the book. You are helping each other grow. No pressure, no judgment, just support. Part 4. Speak with confidence. Many people feel shy or scared. They say, "What if I make a mistake?" Here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes. Even English speakers. Mistakes are part of learning. So don't wait. Start speaking with small sentences. Start writing short paragraphs. Day by day, you will feel stronger. Just like learning to ride a bicycle. You fall, you try again, and one day you ride freely. Part 5. The big message. So here's what we learned today. You already have everything, your school English book. Use it to read, write, speak, and listen. Practice daily for 15 to 20 minutes. Learn 3 new words a day. Write 5 simple sentences. Speak them out loud. Practice with a partner if possible. You don't need to go the extra mile. You just need to use what you already have in a smart way. One day you will be surprised how well you can speak and write in English. Thank you for listening. If this message helped you, please share it with someone who wants to speak better English. Remember, you don't need more, you just need to use what you already have. Start today. Start small. And keep going. You can do it.